Oh, hello. My name is Jocelyn, and I'm here to tell you. This is my 9-month lock update. I'm ready for you to watch it. I'm not to that date yet of being 1 year locked, but it's soon. Can you even see my scalp? Like, what? Turns out that I have been miscounting my months. Can my chair stop? I have been miscounting my months. I started my lock journey in November, and it's about to be August, and August 2nd is my I'm gonna have to start over again. So November. So we got December, January, February, March, April, May, June, July. Am I missing a month? Oh, that is 8. This is 7. So this is 8, right? July 2nd would be 8 months. So coming up on August would be 9 months. So I'm about to be 9 months locked, and that's really exciting because that is 3/4 of the way to being a whole year locked. And I'm really excited. The products that I think I'm going to be using are my regular degulars, water, oil, and a comb. Show yourself. Jasmine, everyone. I'm gonna get in the shower, wash my hair, condition my hair, come back and see you. Okay? Okay, I'm ready to get started. It shouldn't take this long. It better not take this long because I have some things to do later that I'm trying to look cute for. So let's start up from the top. You know the dealio. Show you the first one if you like. I don't know if you've noticed, but I don't comb through my parts anymore, like to make them even. That'll only happen if I end up going to a loctician. So like if you see right now, you won't see like me looking in the mirror and me trying to straighten that part because I don't really care. And you also don't see me palm rolling anymore because I don't want to thin out my hair anymore the way it doesn't thin out. And then it's good. So this is that first one. And get started with the second one. And most likely the next scene that you see, I'm probably halfway through my hair. We are halfway through. We're finished. They're all complete, at least I think so. I didn't truly check, but I'm using my mom's blow dryer again, and it's about to get loud, so cue the music. The last time you probably saw this video, I was much lighter, but I have gotten a serious tan, and it's awesome. By the way, you see this tan? Ridiculous. They feel dry, so that's good, because I don't feel like redoing them again soon. That means I won't spray them as often, at least the roots, because I don't feel like doing my hair for like another month, so I'm gonna try to cool it with the water. Can you see? Can you see my hair? Let me know if I'm missing one. We back. I am almost fully locked. You can see the little curlies at the end. I thought about combing these out to make them curly at the end, but I don't know how to go about that process. I hope you enjoyed this video. Give it a big old thumbs up if you enjoyed it, and click the subscribe button if you want to subscribe, and click the bell if you want to be a part of the notification gang, and I'll check you out next time. Bye.